As more prioritize safety and independent playtime for their little ones, baby playpens have become an essential part of modern parenting. Whether it's giving your baby room to explore or ensuring they stay in a secure space, the right playpen makes all the difference. This guide evaluates build quality, safety features, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the best baby playpen for your needs in 2025. Lift number Fortella Cloud Castle Foldable Playpen, Baby Safety Play Yard with Whiteboard and Activity Wall. The Fortella Cloud Castle Foldable Playpen stands out with its blend of innovation, safety, and style. This play yard features 14 foldable panels that are easy to set up and compact for storage. Parents love the whiteboard panel and built-in activity wall, which keep toddlers engaged while encouraging creativity and sensory development. It's made with BPA-free, non-toxic materials and has anti-slip pads to prevent movement on smooth surfaces. The locking mechanism is secure, ensuring children stay safely inside. List number: Baby Playpen with mat, large baby play yard for toddler. BPA-free, non-toxic, safe no-gaps play yards for babies designed for maximum space and safety. This large baby playpen with mat is ideal for active toddlers and crawling babies. The included mat provides a soft base for playtime, and its no-gap design ensures your little one won't get fingers or toes stuck. Made from BPA-free, non-toxic materials, it's both child-safe and parent-approved. The mesh sides allow for full visibility and airflow. List number 3, Pamo Babe Portable Playpen Foldable Play Art Portable Crib for Baby and Toddlers. The Pamo Babe Portable Playpen is a versatile 2-in-1 solution, doubling as a playpen and a portable crib. It's perfect for families on the go thanks to its quick fold design and carrying bag. Despite being lightweight, it boasts a sturdy frame that keeps your child safe and secure. The breathable mesh sides improve visibility and ventilation, and the padded floor adds comfort during extended play sessions or naps. It's compact enough for travel, yet large enough to give your baby room to explore. List 4, Photos Baby Playpen with mat, small playpen, 47 by 47 inch for babies and toddlers, pen apartment. The Photos Baby Playpen is a compact and convenient option for smaller living spaces. Measuring 47 by 47 inches, it's the perfect baby apartment for infants learning to sit, crawl, or stand. The included mat adds comfort and safety, and the non-toxic, BPA-free material ensures peace of mind. It features mesh walls for visibility, helping parents monitor their child from all angles. This playpen is stable and secure, with a strong frame that resists tipping or collapse, despite its smaller size. List number 5. Zibaba Baby Playpen with mat, 47 by 47 inch playpen for babies and toddlers. Small baby playpens. The Zibaba Baby Playpen offers a safe and simple solution for keeping toddlers entertained within a confined area. Sized at 47 by 47 inches, it's great for compact homes while still providing enough room for movement and play. The included mat is water-resistant and easy to clean, perfect for messy little ones. Built from eco-friendly, BPA-free materials, the playpen is designed with rounded corners and mesh sides for enhanced safety and visibility. The base has anti-slip pads to keep it from shifting on hardwood or tile floors.